Toyin Abraham's latest cinematic masterpiece, Iyalode, has stormed the Nigerian box office, ranking in a staggering 103.7 million naira within just 4 days of its release. The Nollywood star, visibly elated by the film's phenomenal performance, took to her Instagram page to thank her fans for their unwavering support. "Thank you everyone. Iyalode still showing in all cinemas in Nigeria," she wrote in a post that drew over 23,000 likes. The comment section was flooded with congratulatory messages from fans and colleagues alike. With its impressive opening figure, Iyalode is poised to become one of the highest-grossing Nigerian films of the year. Controversial Nigerian singer Portable is back in the news, this time with a dramatic claim that he narrowly escaped a sinister attack during his recent performance in Iyalode. In a video shared online, Portable recounted how he was invited to perform at Sky Home and was met with more fans than he had anticipated. According to him, while engaging with the crowd, things took a shocking turn. The singer claimed that in the middle of the excitement, a man from the crowd injected him with an unknown substance, prompting immediate fear for his life.
Na Sky Home I go perform, na 10 million they give me. Èèyàn tí mo bá ní show, wọ́n wọ 100 billion. Kí ló dé? Ṣé fẹ́ wo hotel ni? They say they won't come watch me. And they snap picture, in fancy me, wọ́n gún mi lábẹ́rẹ́ o, wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe mí bó ṣe ṣe Mohbad. It's how people they hug me, they jolly, they support. One guy just come, phew, ló bá gún mi tùn, ló sá lọ. Mo fọ́ mic lórí òun náà, mo ná bí èèyàn mẹ́fà pa kó tó gbà wọ́n lé. Ẹ wò wọ́n ti kán mi lẹ́sẹ̀ o, bí èèyàn 30 billion lọ́rọ̀ lu ẹsẹ̀ kan yìí. Àbí gbùrùrù ọkọ̀ mọ́kàn fẹ́ ṣe é dáwọn dúró ni. Ẹ wò Dámírégé Dìgá, ẹsẹ̀ kan Ìkòròdú, àgbà mi Jọ́dánì, ẹ̀yin lẹ ṣe mi dùn máa o, ń gbé kí Sky show 10 ẹ wò. I carry my Chevrolet kan, ẹ wò, mo gbé Chevrolet wá, mo gbé Ford wá. Can you afford my Ford? Náà wọ́n ti kan ìkàlẹ́sẹ̀, apá kan Ìkòròdú, ẹsẹ̀ kan.